Hi, everybody. It's Miss Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about the Child Development Institute. So, Child Development Institute is a website that gives you a lot of information specifically about child development, and it has four main subjects that it focuses on: child development, ages and stages, discipline, and homework. But today, the subject that I'm going to be focusing on is child development. Once you get to this page, it's going to walk you through a little bit of information about what child development is and how it affects you and your child. So it tells you about the four main types of child developmental domains, which are physical, intellectual, language, and social. So once you go ahead and click on those, it'll bring you just a little bit of more information about it. And it gives you tips, books, videos, even more articles, and you can even look up the milestones that your child is expected to be hitting at that age, just about at that age. It doesn't have to be specifically that age, but just about. And then you can go on and you can continue to learn more about ages and stages. Just like how that's another subject, it also tells you more about development by each age. So example for this one, for toddlers, it'll go through and it will also give you tips, play activities, books, videos, and more resources that you can use, and also milestones that they will be expected to be meeting. It also tells you like differences between your 18-month-old or your 2-year-old.